Full adder. Full adder is a logic circuit. It adds 3 bits at a time. It adds 3 bits at a time and gives 2 outputs. It adds 3 inputs at a time and gives 2 outputs named as sum and carry. Full adder is a logic circuit. It adds 3 bits at a time. It has 3 inputs and 2 outputs. First, symbol of the full adder. That means block diagram of the full adder. Full adder. How many inputs it consists? 3 inputs named as A, B, C. A, B, C. It gives 2 outputs. One is sum and another one is carry. Block diagram of full adder. Block diagram of full adder by using half adder. In the full adder, we use 2 half adders. Half adder 1. Half adder consists of only 2 inputs. So, named as AB, and half adder gives 2 outputs. One is sum and another one is carry. One is sum and another one is carry. The sum of the half adder, first half adder, sum of the first half adder is given to input of the half adder 2. Half adder 2. And another input of half adder is named as C. Named as C. This half adder also gives 2 outputs. One is sum and another one is carry. Carry of first adder, carry of second adder, carry of first half adder and carry of second half adder is given to the OR gate. Is given to the OR gate. It gives final carry. It gives final carry when we add the 3 inputs A, B, C. Next, coming to the circuit diagram of the full adder. Circuit diagram of the full adder. First, we construct the half adder. For the half adder, we require one XOR gate and one AND gate. XOR gate and AND gate. First, we draw the XOR gate. For the XOR, giving 2 inputs A, B. A, B. XOR output is sum. Half adder sum. And these inputs only A and B. A and B. Observe this notch. A and B both are given to the AND gate. Both are given to the AND gate. Here AND is given the carry. The output of AND is carry. This is the half adder circuit. First half adder circuit. Next, coming to the connection of the second half adder is the sum of first half adder. Sum of first half adder is given to the input of half adder 2. So, for getting final sum, I am using here XOR gate, exclusive OR gate or XOR gate. For this, one input is sum of the first half adder and another input is third input C. Third input named as C. It gives final sum of adding A, B and C. A plus B plus C gives us this sum. Next, carry of second half adder is we connected to AND gate. For this AND gate, sum is one input and another input is C. One input is sum and another input is C. AND gate. Here, this is the carry of second half adder. This is the carry of second half adder. Carry of first half adder and carry of the second half adder is given to the OR gate. It is nothing but a final carry when we add the 3 bits A, B and C. This is the circuit diagram of the full adder. And next, coming to the truth table of the full adder. Truth table of the full adder. Inputs, outputs. Full adder consists of how many inputs? 3 inputs and 2 outputs. Sum, carry. Here inputs are 3 inputs, so we get the 8 ways. 2 power 3 ways, so 8 ways. How? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, double 1, 1, double 0, 1, 0, 1, double 1, 0, triple 1. That means 0 to 7, 0 to 7, 8 ways. Here, sum and carry. Zero plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, carry also 0. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, but carry is 0. Next, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, there is no carry. Next, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, sum is 0. 1 plus 1, sum is 0. carry is 1. Sum is 0, carry is 1. So that's why we put sum as 0, carry as 1. Next, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Carry 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Again 1 plus 1, sum is 0. Carry is 1. 1 plus 1, carry 1. Sum is 0. Sum is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, already 1 0. Again plus 1, we get 1 as sum, 1 as carry. 1 as sum, 1 as carry. 1 plus 1, 1 0. Again plus 1, sum 1, carry 1. This is the truth table of the full adder.